So now everyone, please take out your AS2C. AS2C and turn to page 14. Turn to page 14. So we're going to review the words. So AS2C and page 14. Good. So now we're on page 14. So now we're going to review the words before we go to page 18. Are you ready? Okay, good. So number 1, bark. Very good. Number 2, bad. Very good. Number 3, jog. Very good. Number 4, hoop. Very good. Number 5, hot dog. Very good. Number 6, glove. Very good. Number 7, daughter. Very good. Number 8, father. Father. Good. Number 9, wash. And number 10, car. Very good. Now let us turn to page 18. Everyone turn to page 18. Good. So now we're going to go to page 18. Good. Now page 18, part 5.
It's a sunny day. Billy's dad wants to wash his car, and Billy's sisters want to help.
Can you get me the rag and the bucket?
Yes, we can. Now, let's wash the car.
Good. So it's a sunny day. So remember, sunny day. So how is the weather? It is sunny. If it's raining, you say it is rainy. Okay, it is a rainy day. Okay, if it's cloudy, like you can say it's a cloudy day. If it's very windy, you say it's a windy day. So it's a sunny day. Billy's dad wants to wash his car. So he wants to wash the car, and Bill's sister wants to help. Okay? So this is Bill's dad and Bill's 2 sisters. Good. Now, can you get me the rag and the bucket? So this is a rag. So you use a rag to wash the car. A rag. Good. So this is a rag. So he used a rag to wash the car. A rag. So you need a rag, water, and soap to wash the car. Good. Now, and a bucket. So this over there is a bucket. Very good. So you need to put water inside the bucket. So you need to put water and some soap. Good, inside the bucket. So you need to wash the car, you need rag. What else? You need water. Good, and you need a bucket. Very good. So can you get me the rag and the bucket? Yes, we can. Good. So you see, can you? So that's 1, 2. So can you get me the rag and the bucket? Yes, we can. Now let's wash the car. So you see, let's. Okay. So you see, let's wash the car. Now let's. Okay. Good. So let's. Okay. So teacher Levi, what is let's? Is it let is? No. Okay. So this let there is let us. Okay. So let us wash the car. Okay. So this let there is let us. So this let is let us. Let us wash the car. Okay. Good. So sometimes you see this, okay, with the S like John's, Okay, John's book. That means the book belongs to John. John's playing. That means this one means John is. Okay, so this one means John is. But sometimes when you see the apostrophe S, it just means different things. So for example, this one means John is John's book. That means the book is John own. This one means John's play. That means John is playing. So there. Now let's wash the car. That means let's means let us. Okay, let us wash the car. Good. So now you're going to repeat after teacher. So number one, let's read. Can you get me the rag and the bucket? Can you get me the rag and the bucket? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Very good. Now let's wash the car. Now let's wash the car. Very good. Okay? Good. So means let us. Good. So now let's do it one more time. You see after teacher. Can you get me the rag and the bucket? Can you get me the rag and the bucket? Very good. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Now let's wash the car. Now let's wash the car. Very good. Now we're going to play a game. So now we have teacher, student, and teacher. Are you ready? Ready. Can you get me the rag and the bucket? Yes, we can. Now let's wash the car. Good. One more time. Can you get me the rag and the bucket? Yes, we can. Now let's wash the car. Very good. Now we're going to swap. So now we have student, teacher, and student. Are you ready? Go. Can you get me the rag and the bucket? Yes, we can. Now let's wash the car. One more time. Can you get me the rag and the bucket? Yes, we can. Now let's wash the car. Very good. So I'll give everyone one star. Very good. Now let us go to part 6. Good. Now we're going to go to part 6. Good.
There are some bubbles floating in the air while Billy's dad is washing the car. The dogs are popping the bubbles.
I love to play with bubbles.
Me too.
Let's see how many bubbles we can pop.
Okay, that would be fun.
Good. So remember, these are, what are these? They are bubbles. Good, so these are bubbles. Good, and they are floating. Remember when in AS2A, remember the magician and the girl was floating, and then he said this is magic. So floating, good, is in the air. So the bubbles floating in the air while Billy's dad is washing the car. So when you're washing the car, because of the soap and the foam, it will make some bubbles, and the bubbles will float in the air. The dogs are popping the balloons. Okay, so good. So remember pop. O before the P, so you have P-I-N-G. Remember run, R-U-N. U before the N, N-N-I-N-G. Remember swim, S-W-I-M. M to I before M-M-I-N-G. Remember the vowels A, E, I, O, U before the last letter. Remember jog, J, O, G, or before G, I, N, G. Good. Popping the balloon. Running, swimming. Good. So you have to double the last letter. Pop. So popping. Good. Good. So now we have dog number 1. I love to play with bubbles. Me too. Let's see how many bubbles we can pop. Good. Okay, that would be fun. Yay! Good. Now, you're going to read after teacher. I love to play with bubbles. I love to play with bubbles. Very good. Me too. Me too. Let's see how many bubbles we can pop. Let's see how many bubbles we can pop. So you see let's again, that means let us, okay? Good. Now you see teacher Levi, what's us? So teacher Levi will show you. So remember we did we, our. Good. So we, our. There is ours and you say us. Okay, so I, my, mine, me. So I, remember me, I, we, us. Okay? Good. So that's where, okay, so us, so let's us. So we, us. Good. So one more time. Let's see how many bubbles we can pop. Let's see how many bubbles we can pop. Okay, that would be fun. Okay, that would be fun. Good. Now let's play again. We have teacher, student, teacher, and student. Are you ready? Good. I love to play with bubbles. Me too. Let's see how many bubbles we can pop. Okay, that would be fun. Very good. Now let's do it one more time. I love to play with bubbles. Me too. Let's see how many bubbles we can pop. Okay, that would be fun. Good. Very good. Now let us swap. So we can have student, teacher, student, and teacher. Are you ready? 2, 3, go. I love to play with bubbles. Me too. Let's see how many bubbles we can pop. Okay, that would be fun. Good. Okay, very good. Now teacher Lina will ask you a question. Good. Do they love to play with bubbles? Yes, they do. Very good. Yes, they do. Okay. So they want to see how many bubbles they can pop. Like pop 1, pop 2, pop 3. Good. Okay, so we did our AS2C page 18. Now give everyone 1 point for part 6. Very good. Very good. Good.